Okay, a tip for new driver, right? As a new driver, once you finish packing up your car, or in my case here, I don't pack my car, take the key out, and ready to go out and take care of my business, right? As I open the door, if you guys notice it, there's a noise. It shouldn't be any alarm sound as you open your door and the key is in your hand. Then you have to look to see if anything that you left turn on before leaving out of the car. In my instance, when I check the dashboard, I don't see anything else but the light. I leave the headlight on. See, turning the headlight off here. Let me turn it on so you can see. Turning the headlight off here, open the door, then there is no noise. As you open up your door, ready to exiting as a new driver, you shouldn't be hearing any noise. If there is, you need to find out what did you turn on, leave on. If your keys in your hand and you're exiting your door, it shouldn't be any noise. This has been with Pierre Paul Driving School. Check pierrepaul.driving.com.